Hold a lightweight dumbbell in your hand, lie down straight, bend your elbow to 90 degrees and move your arm into rotation like this. The movement should be slow and smooth and the elbow should be bent 90 degrees all through the range of motion. For next progression, keep your shoulder at 90 degrees abduction, arm at shoulder level, elbow remains at 90 degrees of flexion, and rotate your arm so as the dumbbell move up and down to the maximal available range. Try touching the couch on both the sides. Keep breathing normally, movement should be slow and smooth, controlled.